Hi friends, good afternoon. Today I'm going to talk about Nifty Pharma because we have seen a major fall in Nifty Pharma, and it is sitting at exactly at my system number. And I would like to discuss a little more about Auro Pharma because I gave a buy at 729 and the stop loss was triggered at 707. But again, there is one more important number which is coming at 676. But whether it is 676, it's going to hold or not, I don't know, because yesterday low was 677. But it is exactly at my system configuration number details. So I would like to first, we will talk about pharma index, and from there we will move to Auro Pharma. Okay. And one more thing I'm telling you, I think Nifty IT, it is nearing the peak, and Wipro is already shown the signal, and the emphasis is the trend change rate is coming on 21st, which is today. So today it is holiday. So 23rd, emphasis is going to have a major date. So watch out for IT companies, and don't go aggressive long in IT companies because it has moved far away from the low. So be very, very careful because we identified the date which has happened on 21st of May. I think so. If you go and check your PPT, you will know that date. And from there, there it made a bottom. From there, it had a phenomenal rally. Okay, now we will go to Nifty Pharma. We will discuss the date, and from there we'll move on. Okay, I'll share the screen. Okay. See, this is Nifty Pharma, and I have dates for everything. But now we will discuss only about Nifty Pharma. See, whenever three dates are coming on the same month. Okay, this is 10/8, 4/8, and 29/8. Okay, so coming 29th 8, August is a very important date for Nifty Pharma. Watch out for this date. Okay, and exact I made on 4th August 2021. Nifty Pharma made an exact high, and because I already mentioned in many of my videos, the blue color number date will be very, very crucial. And here, only on 4th August it made a top, and again 10th April it started falling, and last 7 days we had a major fall. And watch out for this date, 29/8/2021, and other dates is 7/10, which is coming in this year. After that, there is no critical dates in Nifty Pharma. Then only it is happening on 2022 and 2023. See, all these dates I work much before. See, suppose if I put any date here, let's say 10 to 2010, automatically the date will change. You understand? So these are all predetermined dates. So, but it works very well. Okay. So now we will see what happened to Nifty Pharma on 4th of August and 10th of August. Okay. So I will share the screen now. Okay. So I marked 4th August date here, and this is the 10th August date. Exact high made here only on 4th August. Okay. From there we started falling. Why I'm saying now it is very, very crucial for Nifty Pharma is because it is sat on my system number, which is this red color line. Yesterday, even though it fall bad, but it is not able to close below this red color line. Okay, so only it has to close below this red color line, then only I will say whether it's going to break that or not. And now if you see from here, from the back, it has given a buy here at 12,684, and from there it has not given any sell, but here it is at a very, very crucial stage. So Nifty Pharma 29/8 is the date, and it is sitting at my system number. Okay, so whenever it comes and touches my blue color line, it will bounce. Okay, so if you see here, it came and touched my blue color line, and from there it bounced. So it's like that. And if you go to Auro Pharma, okay, on a day candle, once it broke that red color line, it's a major fall happened. Okay, so now if you go to weekly, it is exactly broken that red color line yesterday only. Okay, that is last week. So till it holds this last week low, which is 677, the bounce back is possible, number one. Okay, and 24th is the Aro Pharma date, which is coming Tuesday. So till it holds 676, and the low is of this week is 677, and exactly it broken my system number. That line, that red color line, it broke yesterday and closed at 681. Till it holds 676, it is only 5 rupees stop loss, or wait for 24th August date, mark the high and low of 24th August date. If the low is held, then this guy can easily move towards 802. Okay, there is a 100 rupees move possible in this Aro Pharma. So no, it's very at a very crucial stage. So we can take a bit on Aro Pharma with maximum of 5 rupees stop loss, or take the date of 24th high and low of Aro Pharma, and you can proceed with the entry. And I just want to show Wipro because yesterday, once again, just a minute. Okay, Wipro had a major date on 20th August, which was yesterday, and the high is 632 and the low is 618. And there is one more date which is happening on 23rd, which is coming Monday. So two astro date combination means there is a big rise or a big fall. Okay, so now we need to watch out. You take this high and low, which is 632 is the high, 618 is the low. Once it breaks 618 tomorrow, that is on Monday, and which is also a major trend change date for Wipro, you can go for a short. And emphasis is coming. Emphasis the blue color date, which is happened on 20th August, which is a very crucial date for emphasis. And the high made was 2910 and the low made was 2773. So below 2773, emphasis is weak. And the one more big guy, the trend change date is happening for one more big guy is TCS, which is happening on again 23rd. Maybe I'll show that screen to you. I think it is 23rd. Okay, so I will show the dates now. So this PPT is already with you. I don't need to do anything. So Wipro, we had a major date on 20th August. Okay, and emphasis is also on 20th August. But Wipro, this is yellow color line, but emphasis, which is blue color line, which is very powerful. Okay, and TCS date is August 22nd, which is Sunday. So it is 21st August. So coming week, you can see TCS. And one more pharma company is having a very major date on 22nd August, which is again, coming on Sunday. So you can take this on Monday. So see these two companies on Monday, TCS and Dr. Reddy. Pharma, possibility of, bottom has done, possibility of reversal from here because my system, it is exactly at my system number. Okay, so other companies maybe we'll look at later, but see VDL exactly yesterday we had a major fall on VDL on 20th, and Britannia we had a major breakout on yesterday, which is up and down August 20th. So all these dates are already with you. You need to just work it out. And McDowell, it had a phenomenal run after August 12th. So you can work out this. So now Biocon is recently came, and then Cadila, yesterday, you can take yesterday high and low of Cadila because it's a pharma company. There is a possibility of bounce back in Cadila also. So watch out for TCS, Wipro, and emphasis on Monday, and Dr. Reddy, Aro Pharma and Pharma Index on Monday. Thanks a lot. Bye.